Immunity has become a major concern in current scenario of infections like COVID, SARS, and other viral infections. Our immune system has vast capability of destroying pathogens like virus, fungi, and bacteria. Antigen-presenting cells like dendritic cells detect, engulf, and presents antigen to T helper cells. T helper cell then releases cytokines, which signals B cell and T cytotoxic cell to multiply and produce antibodies to kill the pathogen. Immunity is important, but immunomodulation plays a pivotal role in the era of viral infections. Immunomodulation improves immunity when needed, downregulates immunity when not needed. Introducing Immunosin Alpha. Immunosin Alpha contains thymosin alpha 1. Thymosin is a peptide secreted naturally by the thymus gland. But as age progresses, there is a gradual reduction in thymus gland. Thymosin alpha 1 is a peptide made of 28 amino acids. Synthetic peptidomimetic hormone of thymosin modulates innate immunity. Immunosin alpha interacts with toll-like receptor 9 on dendritic cells and activates dendritic cell. Also interacts with toll-like receptor 2 on precursor T cells, which leads to a stimulation of intracellular cell signaling pathways and results in increased natural killer cell activity, which kills virally infected cells. Increased activation of dendritic cells lead to effective presentation of antigen to T helper cell, which later shifts to the Th1 cell subset. Increased expression of Th1 type releases cytokines such as interleukin-2 and interferon alpha, which also increases levels of cytotoxic T cells and B cell. Activated dendritic cells also lead to more efficient antigen presentation for increased production of antibodies by B cells. CD4 helper Th1 natural killer cells, CD8 cytotoxic T cells, and activated dendritic cells acting in concert leads to killing of virally infected cells. Immunosin alpha with a strong immunomodulating effects helps to fight infections. Immunosin alpha can be given as prophylactic to individual with high risk for infections like healthcare professionals, paramedics, nurse, police force, elderly, quarantined isolated individual, working individual. An experimental trial of recombinant human interferon alpha nasal drops and thymosin alpha 1 to prevent coronavirus disease 2019 in medical staff in an epidemic area states that 28th day zero incidence of COVID-19 in high-risk and low-risk group treated with thymosin alpha 1. 28th day 100% incidences of COVID-19 in control group. Safety of immunosin alpha is well established. 2000 plus published articles in PubMed. Thymosin alpha 1 is available since 1979. Thymosin alpha is approved by US FDA and approved in India by DCGI. Widely used and approved in more than 37 countries. Tried in more than 230,000 patients. Thymosin alpha has been used in elderly patients up to 101-year-old and children as young as 13 months without any significant side effects. Immunosin alpha. General dosage. Immunosin alpha.